Hello guys, welcome back to LA Cubing. Today I'm gonna be showing you solving a 3 by 3 121 times. So yeah, let's begin. And before we continue in this video, why you were thinking why we are solving a 3 by 3 121 times? So guys, because we just reached 121 subs. So yeah, let's begin. And thank you for 121 subs. So guys, you can see I have been solved 242 times. Actually 100 times was already in it, and I solved some more than that because I was learning a new algorithm, which was, I think it was EPERM. So yeah, and guys, sorry, but I can't show you the whole time which I was solving. I can show you only 6 or 7 solves. So I'm sorry for that, but the phone I am using it just not have that much space. So sorry for that, and yeah, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, share, and comment this video, and subscribe to our channel. And bye.